In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital device mockup. To do that, go to mockups, digital, then all digital. Here you can see all the devices. An example I want to show you, I want to show a monitor, tablet and phone. So I'm going to continue to scroll down until I can find one. There's one here as an example, but I want to see if there's a better one. So the second one, as you can see here, this one's perfect. You can select this one, select edit. So here we can put an image. So for example, I'm going to click remove on this one. And now let's say we want to add an image. You can select from here and we can select recent uploads or upload from device or import download. So if you have one on your computer, you can select upload from device. And I'm going to use one that's made on PlaceIT. So we click the first one and we download. Select, change the size, let's enlarge it and move it around. Crop. Another example is if we click the iPad, we can upload the same design, or we can choose one from URL. So we click a URL, and let's say there's an image that's either from a free site or on your website or social media. You can go to it and place it inside of here. In this example, I'm going to use pixels. So if you go to pixel.com, in a new tab, you can select an image, right click, copy image link, then go back to PlaceIT. So as it's copied, we just right click and paste it in, then select go. As you can see, it's inside. For the monitor, we can select and we can upload from our computer. We can increase the size, so we click and drag the size, then crop. Now we want to remove the background. We go to background color and we select this icon here. Click away. Now we can save it. I'm going to go to save to. You can create a new folder. I already created one called graphic. Select graphic, then save. Now we're going to download it. To download, we go to download and we select download again for it to download onto a computer. Now in the downloads we have our device mockups. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.